So I just wanted to review this trowel. It's my favorite trowel for drywall, especially for second coat. It's the Marshalltown curved blade stainless steel extra light. It's very light. It's curved. It's flexible. It's perfect for covering joints in drywall. It's just enough flexible that you can feather edges, and it's curved enough to leave a little bit of a coat on the joints. Nice. It's flexible so you can feather the edges quite easily. This is the bottom one. A little more on here. Perfect. So, I don't know if you can see, edges are quite feathered, and it leaves about maybe like a 1/16 of a build-up in the middle for drying. So this is my quick review of this trowel. It's my favorite trowel. I highly recommend it for anyone doing drywall. This one in particular is quite old. I had it for over 8-9 years, I believe, and I use it. It's still good as new. Stainless steel, never rusts. I mean, take care of it, and it will last you a lifetime. I'm actually thinking of buying more of these right now. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.